Welcome to Defense News Plus. Israel Aerospace Industries stated on Sunday that it is fitting offensive and defensive systems to increase the capabilities of the Israeli Navy's SAR-6 corvettes. Israel Aerospace Industries, in collaboration with Navy and Defense Ministry, accomplished the first phase of installing MF Star radars on the SAR-6 corvettes and will continue to integrate the Barak MX air defense systems on the warships. The MF Star radar system is fitted with all surveillance sensors on every Navy's new warship. The MF Star system are based on advanced technology including active electronic scan array developed by Israel Aerospace Industries ELTA systems. These systems reduce the target acquisition response time and provide advanced ability to correctly and simultaneously track a wide range of targets. The radar provides an optimal picture of the maritime situation. The radar are an integral component of defending the airspace and territorial waters, including strategic assets such as natural gas rigs against rockets, enemy aircraft, and more. The Barak MX air defense system, developed by Israel Aerospace Industries System Missile and Space Division, is one of the world's advanced operational defense systems and is used by Israeli Defense Forces, Land and Naval Forces, and the Indian Navy and Air Force. The system provides both wide area and targeted defense against an array of threats, including ones on land, in the air, and at sea. The Barak MX includes cutting-edge systems such as digital radar, a weapon control system, launchers, and a range of interceptors for difficult ranges with upgraded homing devices, data link communication, and system-wide connectivity, according to the company. The system will work as a force multiplier for the Navy and the Israel's defense forces of the nation. Next update, the Garden Ridge Shipbuilders and Engineers Limited, Kolkata, have bagged an order to build 6 patrol boats for Bangladesh for Sustainable Coastal and Maritime Fisheries Project under the Department of Fisheries, Bangladesh. The Garden Ridge Shipbuilders and Engineers Limited bagged the order through international competitive bidding, where other international players from Europe and Asia took part. The patrol crafts will be equipped with a water jet drive suitable for shallow water operation up to 0.60 meters. The 13-meter surveillance patrol boats for marine fisheries surveillance checkpost of Bangladesh will be used in surveillance activities, shallow water operations, and patrolling fishing grounds day and night for illegal fishing gear and retrieval of survivors. The Garden Ridge Shipbuilders and Engineers Limited has supplied indigenously built a multi-purpose offshore patrol vessel CGS Barracuda to the Mauritius Coast Guard and also exported a fast patrol vessel to the government of Seychelles, and bagged an order of competitive bidding for construction and supply of one ocean-going passenger and cargo vessel for the Republic of Guyana. The Garden Ridge Shipbuilders and Engineers Limited uses over 90% indigenous content in state-of-the-art warship design and construction of anti-submarine warfare corvettes and landing craft utility ships. The shipyard is becoming a global leader in warship construction, adopting of new advanced technology and Industry 4.0 practices. Next update, DRDO is working on a next generation submarine launched cruise missile. It will be capable of working in dense electronic warfare environments, so its chances to evade countermeasures will be high. The next generation submarine launched cruise missile will be around 350 to 400 mm in diameter and 4 to 4.5 meters long. It will be equipped with next generation domestic active radar homing seeker. Both surface ships and submarines can carry the next generation submarine launched cruise missile in future. That will result better logistic and inventory management. Next update, Indian Army Chief Manoj Mukund Naravne on Sunday embarked on a 4-day visit to the UK and Italy to deepen bilateral ties. The Indian Army said Naravne will be meeting his counterparts and senior military leaders of the two countries to explore ways to boost military cooperation. The army said General Naravne will meet with UK Secretary of State for Defence Chief of the Defense Staff, Chief of General Staff and other dignitaries, and will be visiting various army formations where he will be exchanging ideas on issues of mutual interest. During a virtual summit between the Prime Ministers of the two countries in May, India and the UK made a roadmap to increase cooperation on defense and security and other 5 key points to strengthen the relationship. The army said General Naravne will next be visiting in Italy from 7 to 8 July. The army chief will be holding important discussions with the Chief of Defense Staff and Chief of Staff of the Italian Army. Additionally, the Chief of Army Staff will also inaugurate the Indian Army Memorial in the famous town of Cassino and will be briefed at the Italian Army's Counter IIT Center of Excellence at Rome. That's it for today. If you like our work, then please hit the like button, share this video and do subscribe this channel to get the notification of the next video. Thank you.